Hey guys, how's it going? How to add vinyl record sticker to Instagram story. So first of all, go ahead and open up the Instagram story. Alright. And then basically what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and click my story at the top left. Alright. And make sure that you updated your Instagram to the latest version so you can get access to all the new features, right? And then basically what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the music option right here. All right, and then add the music that you want. Let's say for example I'm gonna add something mute. I hope there is mute something, I don't know. There isn't. So basically just select the music, and after you selected the music, you're gonna be able just after you open the song, you're gonna see the vinyl record sticker will appear over your screen. I didn't want to open the music because of the copyright, of course, but you're gonna be able to see a template of vinyl record. And if you want to do it another way by just going to post a picture, if you already have a picture, let's say for example this one, I'm gonna click the music at the top, and then basically afterwards I'm gonna add the music. You're gonna be able to see the lyrics or without lyrics. You can just swipe left to see the last option, and you're gonna be able to see the vinyl record, and you're gonna be able to add it as a part of your template on your story, and then basically hit share it to your story, and then basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.